Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone overheating when charging. We should all have encountered this problem. You plug in your phone hoping that it can charge smoothly, but after a while when you want to check on it, you realize that your iPhone overheating when charging and cannot be touched. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is free up iPhone storage. Your iPhone needs CPU and GPU to process tasks whether it is charging or not. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option. Next, scroll down and choose iPhone storage. Wait until the page is loading. Here you can find all the download apps and how much storage they have taken up. Delete those you don't need. Simply tap on that app. Choose delete app, or you can offload app and reinstall it again when you need, and you are done. And the next step is disable background app refresh. For this, go to settings. Next, scroll down and go to general option. Then scroll down. Here you can see the option of background app refresh. Tap on it. From here, tap on background app refresh at the top. And then choose off. And you are done. And the next step is delete incompatible apps. Simply long press it from the home page. And then choose remove app. Next, choose delete app. And then tap on delete again to confirm, and you are done. And the next step is turn on airplane mode. For this, open the control center by swiping down from the top right side of your phone, and then choose airplane mode. Wait for some time and then tap on airplane mode again to disable it, and you are done. Also, you should check damaged battery. I hope this video will help you to fix iPhone overheating when charging. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.